Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building this beautiful voice chat UI using just HTML and CSS. No JavaScript needed. It's clean, modern, and perfect for video calls or chat app interfaces. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with the HTML markup. We'll build the entire structure using semantic HTML tags and meaningful class names. Here's how it breaks down. The voice chat is our main container. Inside, we have a title section with a heading and close icon. Then a grid of participants with images and names. Finally, a call to action Join Now button and a muted note below. Now let's add some participants. Each one includes an image and a name. You can repeat this block for as many users as you want. Make sure your images are in an image folder and named correctly. Time to bring our layout to life with CSS. Let's style the background, container, title bar, and grid layout. This centers everything on the screen with a light gray background. Clean white card, rounded corners, and soft shadow for elevation. We're using position absolute to make the title bar float at the top. We're using CSS Grid for a clean layout. Each participant has a circular image with a soft shadow. The button is full width, dark, and clean. And the note below adds a small UX touch, letting users know the mic will be muted. Let's look at the final result. We have a stylish and responsive voice chat UI. Great for any app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more front-end UI projects like this. Also, drop a comment if you want the JavaScript version with voice controls and animations next time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.